Starting with expectations. In today's world, the expectations of clinicians from the microbiologists are soaring very high. You can see in this slide, they may even want us to predict the non-planetary flora also. Like they may be asking which is the flora of the planet Mars. But we should not fear of these challenges and expectations, because somebody has rightly pointed out that high achievement always takes place in the framework of high expectation. So these expectations act as a fuel for our never-ending burning desire to learn something new in the field of microbiology and to deliver this new thing to the clinicians. I'll come to the term consultant, from where it has taken its origin. This word consultant is a Latin word which means consultere, that is basically to discuss. The person, whoever in the field the person may be, I am not relating it specifically to a consultant microbiologist, but a consultant is a person who is usually an expert or a professional in a special field. The person should have a wide knowledge of subject matter and should provide advice in that area. Specifically, advice is necessary because knowledge is kept by many people, but to advise is the mastery of a consultant. And the person should have a potential to discuss adequately and appropriately. While preparing for this talk, I come across this very good article, this career article by BMJ on a BMJ career site. It has specifically laid down specific expectations, which we can see in this slide. It has been recently published on September 23rd. The person should work closely with the clinical and laboratory staff to provide advice on diagnosis and management of patients with infections and communicable diseases, including antibiotic use, infection prevention and control. In this line, in the starting only, we have seen the stress they are trying to put on the word advice. The person should not be knowing this, he should be capable of advising the other people. Then the person should advise on infection prevention and control, which is a very burning topic right now. Teaching of staff, which everybody forgets at the end of the day after working for long. Audit and research, positive and flexible style.